Let's continue with practice problem number 12. A study room measures 6.2 meters by 4.7 meters. Find the area and perimeter. So we're given the length 6.2 meters, the width 4.7 meters, required area and perimeter. Our solution, the formula is A is equals to length times the width. Substituting the given data, the calculated value is 29.14 meters squared. And the perimeter, use the formula. P is equal to 2 times L plus W or 2L plus 2W. Substitute then the given data. The calculated value is 21.8 meters. So final answers, the area is 29.14 meters squared and the perimeter is 21.8 meters. Practice problem number 13. A rectangular hallway is 18 meters long and 2.5 meters wide. Calculate the area and perimeter. So we're given the length 18 meters, the width 2.5 meters. So required area and perimeter. So our solution, area is length times the width. Substituting the given data, the answer is 45 meters squared. So for the perimeter, the formula to use is P is equals to 2L plus W. Substituting the given data, the answer is 41 meters. The final answers are area 45 meters squared, perimeter 41 meters. Next, practice problem number 14. A living room is 9 meters by 7 meters. Find the area and perimeter. So we're given the length 9 meters, width 7 meters, required area and perimeter. So our solution for the area is length times the width. Substitute the given data. The answer is 63 meters squared. For perimeter, it's 2 times L plus W. Substitute the given data. The answer is 32 meters. So final answer, area is equal to 63 meters squared. And then the perimeter is 32 meters. Number 15. A rectangular swimming pool is 20 meters by 10 meters. Find its area and perimeter. So we're given the length 20 meters, the width 10 meters, required area and perimeter. Our solution for the area is length times the width. For the perimeter is 2 times L plus W. Substituting the given data, the final answers are A is equals to 200 meters squared, P is equal to 60 meters. So the number 16, a square tiled floor has its side 9 meters. Find the area and perimeter. So we're given side 9 meters, required area and perimeter. Solution, area is equals to side times side, and the perimeter is 4 times the side. So, substitute the given data. Our final answers are A, 81 meters squared, P, 36 meters. Number 17. A rectangular backyard measures 25 meters by 12 meters. Calculate the area and perimeter. So we're given L, 25 meters, W, 12 meters, required A and P. So the formula for our solution, A is equals to L times W. P is equals to 2 times L plus W. So the final answers are A is equals to 300 meters squared, P is equal to 74 meters. Number 18. A guest room is 5.5 meters by 4.5 meters. Find the area and perimeter. So we're given L 5.5 meters, W 4.5 meters. Required A and P. So solution, the formula for A is length times the width. The formula for P is 2 times L plus W. Substituting the given data, the final answer is A is equal to 24.75 meters squared and P is 20 meters. Practice problem number 9. A rectangular garage is 8.5 meters by 6 meters. Calculate the area and perimeter. Given L is 8.5, W 6 meters. Required A and P. So, solution, the formula for A is length times the width. The formula for P is 2 times L plus W. Substituting the given data, the final answers are A is equal to 51 meters squared and P is equal to 29 meters. Number 20. A square flower bed has a side length of 3.8 meters. Find the area and perimeter. So we're given S 3.8 meters. Required A and P. So solution, A is equals to side times side. And then perimeter is 4 times side. And the final answers are 14.44 meters squared and P is equal to 15.2 meters. We will now proceed to our MCQ Quarter 3 Measurement and Geometry Lesson Roman numeral number 5, Calculating Area and Perimeter in Residential Spaces and Layouts. Number 1. A rectangular room is 8 meters long and 6 meters wide. What is its area? A. 14, B. 48, C. 28, D. 36, all in meters squared. Let's proceed to MCQ number 2. A square garden has a side of 12 meters. What is its perimeter? A. 24 meters, B. 36 meters, C. 48 meters, D. 60 meters. MCQ number 3. A rectangular flower bed has a base of 10 meters and a height of 8 meters. What is its area? Letter A, 20 meters squared. B, 40 meters squared. C, 50 meters squared. D, 80 meters squared. MCQ number 4. A rectangular backyard is 20 meters long and 15 meters wide. What is its perimeter? A, 50 meters, B, 60 meters, C, 70 meters, D, 70 meters. Both 70 for C and D. Number 5. A circular garden has a radius of 7 meters. What is its area? Use pi is equal to 3.14. So letter A, 49 meters squared. B, 154 meters squared. C, 314 meters squared. D, 462 meter squared. MCQ number 6. A square lot has a side of 25 meters. What is its area? A, 125 meters squared. B, 250 meters squared. C, 625 meters squared. D, 6,250 meters squared. Number 7. A rectangular kitchen is 10 meters long and 4 meters wide. What is its perimeter? Letter A, 14 meters. Letter B, 20 meters. C, 24 meters. D, 28 meters. MCQ number 8. A trapezoidal garden has parallel sides 8 meters and 12 meters, and its height is 5 meters. What is its area? Letter A, 25 meters squared. B, 50 meters squared. C, 75 meters squared. D, 100 meter squared. MCQ number 9. A square patio has a side of 9 meters. What is its perimeter? Letter A, 18 meters. B, 27 meters. C, 36 meters. D, 45 meters. MCQ number 10. A circular fish pond has a diameter of 10 meters. What is its perimeter, or should we say circumference? Use pi is equal to 3.14. So letter A, 15.7 meters. B, 25.1 meters. C, 31.4 meters. D, 62.8 meters. MCQ number 11. A triangular room has sides of 6 meters, 8 meters, and 10 meters. What is its perimeter? A, 20 meters. B, 22 meters. C, 24 meters. D, 26 meters. Number 12. A rectangle has a length of 12 meters and a width of 9 meters. What is its area? Letter A, 81 meters squared. B, 96 meters squared. C, 108 meters squared. D, 120 meters squared. MCQ number 13. A rectangular hallway is 15 meters long and 3 meters wide. What is its perimeter? A, 18 meters. B, 24 meters. C, 30 meters. D, 36 meters. MCQ number 14. A circular patio has a radius of 14 meters. What is its circumference? Use pi is equals to 3.14. So letter A, 44 meters. B, 66 meters. C, 88 meters. D, 100 meters. We will have the next part of our lesson, Quarter 3, Measurement and Geometry, Lesson Roman numeral number 5.